아찔한 이 끌림 눈나쁜 새노래
Hey yo, what's up you guys? Hey yo, hello. Hey, my god. So, hey yo, what's up you guys? So, it's me, Luigi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, this is a rush video, and because I love NCT Wish and I saw them last month for the Wish log. So ngayon guys, so I'm so excited for the reaction video for the sticky music video of NCT Wish na kaka-upload lang kahapon, kagabi. So because I'm so busy, so need ko na siyang i-upload at i-edit din today. Puro rush na lang. Hit the notification bell to be updated my every upload. Di ko alam kung bakit siya nabag. So let's go na guys. Panoorin natin siya. Sticky cakes to... Ito niyo ba yun? Wait lang, may thumbnail ako guys. Wait lang, may thumbnail ako. Wait lang. Alisin natin tong mic. Gusto ko din yung step nila na gano'n. Tapos gano'n. I love that. Sakuya! Sakuya is so pretty. I saw real na real guys. Ang ganda, ang pogi, ang cute. Boses ni Rico talaga yun. Sleeveless, right? Grabe. Rio. It's Rio. I know it's Jay. Oh, sorry guys, don't bash me. It's Jay. And Yoshi is so hot. I create a content, then in-upload it to TikTok, then I said, hey sir guys, after watching this sticky music video of Institution, Yoshi. Ang pogi niya, di ba? Like, I love Louis. hindi ka magiging dyan. See? Ay, feel ko ang tatamnil ko dapat si Sean. Pero, okay, fine. Hindi ko alam. Grabe ang pogi ni Sean. Sticky. Ito yung gusto ko. Itong part yung favorite ko. Ang cute niya kasi sa step. Tapos ito. Oh my god, yung black na team nila guys, grabe din. Oh, naka-sleeveless si Yoshi. Oh my god guys, grabe ang face card. Never decline. Grabe. Grabe, gusto ko tong part na to ni Yoshi. Ang hot niya dito, tamo. See? Tapos meron pa yung gaganon. Tapos makikita mo talaga yung muscles niya, guys. Yan! Grabe yung part na to. Ang ganda din. Oh my god. Walang tapon. I love it. Oh my god. So that's then, oh my god. Grabe si Yoshi dito, guys. So guys, you need to stream this. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated my every upload. So see you on my next video, guys. So this is the end of the video. Bye bye. Love you all.